Now, interaction theorists tend to use two different modes of inquiry. They use the exploration mode and they use the inspection mode. The exploration mode is a very flexible procedure, and this generally happens at the very beginning of a research project. And what happens here when you start to explore the issues related to your research is you get a close and comprehensive look at social settings which may be very unfamiliar to you. And so this eases you in to the research project. It allows you to sharpen your skills and to focus your own attention on what's going on. It helps you to be able to develop an idea about how you'll investigate this particular social issue. And so it's the beginning stages of the methods that the interaction theorist uses. Interaction theorists use direct observation, sitting in a classroom and watching. They use interviews, interviewing the students face-to-face, interviewing a faculty member face-to-face. It involves listening and reading skills. Perhaps I read over the note-taking of students in a classroom. I ask them to let me see their journals. Or I look at the teacher's notes. What is it that the teacher is trying to get across with their notes? And also I might look at public records. Perhaps I'll go to Rate My Professor and see what the comments are about this professor on that website. So that first mode of inquiry is kind of a gathering of information stage. It allows me to kind of formulate how I see the project moving forward. The second mode of inquiry is the inspection stage, and this is where we get more refined and more defined with regard to the research we're going to do. Here is where we start to do an examination of the empirical contents of our research project. So now we've used exploration to gather up all of these different sorts of pieces of information that we might be using. Now we want to lay out all of this information and figure out how we're going to use it. So here we're doing a qualitative analysis of all of those observations, interviews, listening and reading skills, and gathering of public record information that we've done. We put it all on the table, so to speak, and we figure out what are the commonalities here, where are the common threads, and how can I figure out where's the pattern here. All right, I hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.